Hey guys, welcome to Ueephone video. In this video, the phone to be repaired is iPhone 8. The customer told us that the handset has no sound when making a phone call. Let's test it first. It can be seen that speaker is working normally, but the earpiece has no sound at all. In this case, we judge that the handset component is broken, and the problems can generally be solved by repairing a brand new component. Open the screen. Remove 4 motherboard cable cover screws. Remove the cover, then remove the fixed camera cable cover. Unplug the screen cable one by one and remove the screen. Continue to remove the cover that fixes the handset module and take out the handset. Here we can see that the earpiece diaphragm has been damaged. We will take a look at the brand new one with this damaged one. Now install this brand new handset. Fasten the cover. Tighten the set screw. Then we put the new screen glue on the phone. Fasten the front camera cable. Then fasten the screen cable and the battery cable. Install the cover and tighten the fixing screws. Then fix the camera cable cover and tighten the screws. Cover the screen and press the screen firmly. We put on the fixing screws. Now we turn on the phone to test whether the piece has sound. Okay, now you can see that the handset has a sound, so this iPhone 8 is now repaired.